This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 54 Sustainable Cloud Computing I. In this video, we discuss the Smart Grid Lab setup, which considers different operating modes such as peak load, off-peak, and islanded scenarios. Various time intervals are analyzed with varying battery state of charge, grid status, and device management strategies to optimize grid operation. Next, we explore the simulation results for peak hour, off-peak hour, and isolated mode operation. Key features like bus voltage, PV battery trap currents, and grid voltage current are examined. We also investigate the interconnection of two DC grids and a case study with zero battery charge. Moving on to the hardware implementation, we present experimental results for two autonomous microgrids, one at 100V and the other at 48V. We analyze characteristics such as voltage current, power, battery, and load across different time zones. The practical implementation is a scaled-down version of the theoretical 380V and 48V microgrids. Furthermore, we integrate the DC microgrid with the IIT Roorkee distribution system and the national grid for PHIL experimentation. We simulate the 2013 peak load scenario of 120 GW generation and 117 GW load across India, observing improved voltage profiles and optimized line power flow with the DC microgrid integration. In a case study, we examine coordinated voltage control with the DC microgrid interfaced with the utility grid and an IEEE distribution system. The lab setup includes various components like OR-TDS amplifiers, PV emulators, and converters, enabling closed-loop PHIL experimentation. The results demonstrate improved coordinated voltage control with the DC microgrid integration. The lecture emphasizes the hardware implementation of previously simulated case studies, highlighting the challenges faced during practical execution. Energy management simulations and voltage control schemes are integrated with the IIT Roorkee distribution system, facilitated by the DC microgrids interface with the All India network. In summary, we explore peak, off-peak, and islanded modes for smart grid operation, integrate microgrids at different voltages with the national grid, highlight challenges in hardware implementation compared to simulations, observe improved voltage profiles and power flow with DC microgrid integration, achieve coordinated voltage control with the DC microgrid interface, and scale down simulations for practical hardware implementation. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.